Hey YouTubers, we have a 2010 Toyota Prius and its battery has gone out. Not the main battery that powers it, but the 12-volt battery that helps it start. So we are going to jump it, and to do that, remove this cover and lift up on this piece here. That exposes the positive side of the terminal. That's where we're going to put one of the jumper cables. Right there. So we've got the black, the negative, attached to that bolt right there. Gotta make sure it's a metal surface that isn't painted. And the positive is attached to the positive terminal. And then over here, we're running the engine. We have negative here, positive. Check for DC voltage. Should get these two. So you get 12 volts coming in from the Yukon. This battery was pretty flat, pretty dead, so it might take a few minutes for it to charge up. But then we can start the car and it should just run from its own alternator charging it up.